Hey you guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm just going to be doing a quick tutorial on how I do my everyday powder brows. Here I'm just taking a spoolie and just brushing my hairs into place. Here I am just taking a dark brown eyeliner pencil that I bought from my local drugstore and just going to outline my brow and then fill them in. When I trace the top of my brow, I do not bring that liner all the way to the beginning of my brow. I just bring it slightly behind it because you want that faded, natural look in the front. I do like the top of my arch to be a little bit higher, so I am going above my natural arch. And here, I just repeat the same steps that I did on my other brow. When I'm filling in my eyebrow, I just like to take the pencil and lightly stroke the eyebrow to bring that color in. I never color in the front of my eyebrows, just the middle part of my eyebrow and the tail part of my eyebrow. I am using a flat angled brush to add my concealer and to clean up those brows. I like to use my Pro Concealer in the color Toast, Fawn, and Beautiful Bronze. I use Toast and Fawn at the bottom of my brows, and at the top I like to use the Beautiful Bronze. Now when cleaning up your brows, take your time. There's no need to rush this process. You can easily mess it up if you're going too fast. So just take your time and apply that concealer. You want those brows nice and crisp. I like to use a rounded brush just to blend out that concealer. Sorry guys, I don't know the name of this brush. These are some cheap brushes that I purchased from AliExpress. And I just use that brush just to smooth out that concealer. When applying your concealer, just try to tap the top of the brow to get that concealer to form that shape. Here I'm just filling in any spots that I might have went over with the concealer. Here I am just taking some eyebrow powder in the color dark brown and just going to fill in my brows a little bit more. I like the tail part of my brows to be a little bit darker. This is a step you don't have to do. I just choose to do mine like this. with my spoolie, I am just going to gently drag some of that color to the front of the brow to give it that ombre effect. Not too much, just real lightly. Here I am just damping my Beauty Blender with my NYX setting spray just to blend out some of that concealer. Now with my Black Radiance BB Cream in the color Chocolate, I'm going to just add that to my face to conceal that concealer. Okay guys, here is the finished look. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, please leave your questions below. Please like, comment, and share, and I'll see you in the next video.